and welcome back to another section of Uncle Sam's math tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to solve this question on the board. It's about ratio. So what do? Now we asked the share $1,500 between John, Kay, and Anthony in the ratio 2:3:5. Now, once you see this kind of question and it's written like this, just know that the first name here represents the first ratio here. So this 2 is for John. Then the next one, Kate, represents this 3. And lastly, Anthony represents what? This 5. So what do we do first? The first thing we have to do here is what? We are going to add these 3 ratios together. Why are we doing this? So that all of them will have common denominator. That is what ratio is about. You're going to have common denominator, then the numerators will not be separate. So this is going to form their numerators, but their denominators will be addition of these 3 numbers here. So it's going to be 2 plus 3 plus 5. That is going to give us 10. Now for John, which has 2, it's going to be 2 over the total amount, the total ratio, times the amount that they are sharing, 1,500 over 1. Then for Kate, we're going to have 3 over 10 times 1,500 over 1. And also for Anthony, you're going to have 5 over 10 times 1,500 over 1. So how do we do this now? 10 cancel out. 2 times 150 is going to give us $300. Then Kate is 10 divided this. 3 times 150 is still going to give us $450. Then 10 divided 1,500. 5 times 150 is going to give us $750. So this is the amount each of them is going to get. Now, what is an interesting thing about ratio? I want to leak a secret for you. Now, do you know that this amount that was gotten here, this 235 is actually the reduced term of this? What do I mean by that? Let's say I arrange these 3 amounts that I got here in this ratio or in this form. It's going to be $300 ratio, $450 ratio, $750. Okay? Now, if I were to reduce these 3 numbers on the board, what do you think will happen? First, they have 0 at the end, so I'm going to cancel all the zeros. So I'm left with $30, $45, and $75. Now, what else can I do here? I can divide. How? I can simply use 15 to divide. 15 divided 30 is going to give me 2. 15 divided 45 is going to give me 3. 15 divided 75 is going to give me 5. So the reduced sum is actually $2 to $3 to $5. So the answer you get, if you reduce it, it will still give you back that ratio. So that is one thing about ratio. I hope you understood the logic there. Thank you for watching today's class. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.